My name is Shirik. I'm eating dirt.
Zemmi,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine.
You want to see your surprise?
Yeah,
You want to open? Are you sure?
yeah.
Okay, please take it. Open it. What is there? Huh? You happy? Show me, show me, show me, show me. Wow, what is that? What is that? Huh? What color? What color is this? What color? What color? What is this then? What is this? What is this? Unicorn. Wow, show me, show me, show me here, show me please. Show me. What?
Someone is coming down.
Oh, you can open like this. What is inside? Wow. Wow, this is for writing. Oh, what is that? What is that? Marker in? So, are you happy?
What is this, Papa?
I don't know.
I can open. Oh, I cannot open it.
You cannot open? Show me your happy face.
This is drawing.
Huh?
This is showing. I can open over here.
This is for wiping. This is wiper, okay? If you where's this is your color pencil. Show me what are the color. What color is this?
White,
White,
red,
red,
blue,
blue,
pink,
pink,
purple,
purple,
and green.
green. Yeah! High five! High five!
Ah, my Bible on candidate, candidate, yes.
Yeah, show me your happy face once again.
I'm so excited.
You're so excited.
Why candidate are labor for me?
Yeah, you're so excited. Show me that excited face.
Papa, give me that.
Which
Give
one?
me.
You want to open this?
I want to table.
Table. You want table?
Yeah.
All right, we'll take table. Okay.
You take the camera and put the chair off. Okay, Papa?
Okay. Okay.
Papa, what is this for? It's very strong for me.
Oh wow! Now you take. You
The
write.
baby one.
You write A B C.
This is the white color.
Yeah. So write A. Write A.
If we want to grow.
Write A. Wow. Wow. So smart. Yay! Now you try to wipe it. Where's that wiper?
You see. That's not for boy.
It's not coming out.
Oh, it's coming out.
Yeah, show how to wipe. Show how to wipe.
Yes, I can wipe it.
Yes. So wipe this one. Let's see whether their product is good or not. Wow! Yeah, so smart. Give high five, give high five. And show me your happy face once again.
Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.